Data analysis is the backbone of informed decision-making in today's world. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or a professional, understanding data can give you a significant edge. This is where Microsoft Excel comes into play. Excel is a powerful tool that turns raw data into meaningful insights. Its versatility makes it a favorite among data analysts, capable of handling anything from simple calculations to complex data models. Excel's user-friendly interface and extensive functionalities make it accessible for beginners, while its advanced features cater to more experienced users. One of Excel's strengths is its ability to present data visually. Charts, graphs, and conditional formatting make trends and patterns more apparent, helping in understanding data quickly and effectively. In this guide, we will explore the essential features of Excel for data analysis. The first step in data analysis is data entry. Accurate data entry ensures reliable analysis. Excel makes this process straightforward with its grid layout. Sorting data is another fundamental task in Excel. Sorting helps in organizing data to identify patterns and trends. For example, you can sort sales data by date to see monthly trends. Excel allows you to sort data alphabetically, numerically, or by date. You can sort a single column or multiple columns to fine-tune your analysis. Filtering allows you to focus on specific data points without altering the original dataset. This flexibility makes data analysis more efficient and focused. Formulas are the heart of Excel's data analysis capabilities. One of the most basic and frequently used formulas in Excel is the sum function. The sum function adds up numbers in a range of cells. Another essential formula is the average function. This function calculates the mean of a range of numbers. The if function is another powerful tool in Excel. It performs logical tests and returns different values based on the outcome. For instance, you can use the if function to categorize sales as high or low based on a threshold value. Excel also supports more complex formulas like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Mastering these formulas enhances your ability to analyze and interpret data. Pivot tables are one of Excel's most powerful features for data analysis. They allow you to summarize and analyze large datasets quickly. Creating a pivot table in Excel is straightforward. First, select the data range you want to analyze. Then, go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. Once created, you can drag and drop fields to customize the table. Pivot tables offer various functions such as sum, count, and average. For example, a pivot table can show total sales by region, product, or salesperson. Pivot tables also allow you to filter and sort data dynamically. This interactivity enhances your ability to explore data from different angles. Visual representation of data makes it easier to understand and communicate insights. Excel offers a variety of tools for creating charts and graphs. One of the most common charts in Excel is the bar chart. Bar charts are ideal for comparing quantities across different categories. Line charts are another popular option. They are useful for showing trends over time. For instance, a line chart can illustrate sales trends over several months. Pie charts are effective for showing proportions. Excel also supports more advanced visualizations like scatter plots and histograms. These advanced charts provide deeper insights into complex data sets. Managing multiple worksheets is essential for handling complex datasets. Excel allows you to organize data across different sheets within a single workbook. Creating a new worksheet in Excel is simple. You can add a new sheet by clicking the plus icon next to the existing sheets. Naming each sheet appropriately helps in identifying the content quickly. Linking data between worksheets is a powerful feature in Excel. You can reference data from one sheet in another using formulas. For instance, you can use the sum function to calculate total sales across multiple sheets. Excel also allows you to group worksheets. Grouping sheets lets you apply the same action to multiple sheets simultaneously. Calculating sales totals is a common task in data analysis. Excel simplifies this process with its powerful functions and formulas. Let's walk through an example of calculating monthly sales totals. First, organize your sales data in a table format. The table should include columns for the date, product, quantity sold, and price. Ensure that each row represents a single transaction. Next, use the SumProduct function to calculate total sales. SumProduct multiplies corresponding elements in arrays and returns the sum of the products. To calculate monthly totals, you can use the SUMIFs function. Creating a pivot table can also help in summarizing sales data. Analyzing trends is crucial for making informed decisions. Excel provides various tools to help identify and interpret trends in your data. Let's explore an example of analyzing sales trends over a year. Start by organizing your sales data with columns for the date and sales amount. Use a line chart to visualize the sales trends. Select the data range, including the date and sales amount columns. Go to the Insert tab and choose Line Chart. The chart will plot the sales amounts over time, making it easy to see the trend. Excel's trend function can help in projecting future sales based on historical data. Applying a moving average can smooth out fluctuations and highlight the underlying trend. Microsoft Excel is an indispensable tool for data analysis. Its wide range of features, from basic functions to advanced tools, makes it suitable for all skill levels. Excel's ability to handle large data sets and perform complex calculations ensures robust data analysis. Mastering Excel's features enhances your data management skills. Pivot tables and visual tools like charts and graphs make data interpretation more intuitive. Practical examples such as calculating sales totals and analyzing trends demonstrate Excel's real-world applications. In conclusion, Excel's capabilities significantly enhance data analysis and decision-making processes. Excel is not just a tool, it is a powerful ally in navigating the data-driven world.